Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a futuristic new lineup of prefab tiny homes making waves in North America. 2021 has been the year of compact prefab homes, with companies like Studio Shed and Boxable making headlines as a solution for rising home prices. This is an exciting market to watch because there's a massive demand for homes currently being offered by existing companies, leading to backlogs and wait times longer than most people are willing to tolerate, which is leaving the door open for new competition. What I like best about this segment of prefab homes is the ingenuity and the design involved. Companies are coming out with some amazing ideas to try and give people something that's affordable while also being livable and cool. One company that has taken design to an entirely new level is Nestron, with their lineup of tiny homes that can accommodate 1 to 4 people in a variety of different sizes. Nestron is aiming to create a futuristic living space for a modern lifestyle with originality and innovation using technology. Mission accomplished. What I'm going to do is tell you who they are, show you what they offer, and tell you what I like best about their homes, so let's do it. Nestron was founded in 2017, a multinational company with extensive experience in architectural design and engineering projects, especially in compact smart house design. Their goal is to provide people with a comfortable and safe place to live regardless of climate, economy, and geographical region. They're a new generation of tiny home living. Each house is fully prefabricated, delivered to site, ready to live with built-in furniture and a smart home system named Canny. Here's the thing that people often forget about buying a new house. Furniture. You buy a new house, it's usually expensive, and then you have to turn around right away and buy furniture for that specific house, an added expense that people often overlook. Having furniture included is a big bonus, not to mention you don't have to go out and look for the furniture shopping, which, if you're like me, is an absolute nightmare. The more I think about the included furniture, the better it sounds. On top of that, each unit is truly prefabricated, delivered fully manufactured in one piece, ready to install. The company's based out of Singapore, but according to Business Insider, over 70% of the company's clients are in the United States, and plans are in the works to have distribution in North America as they continue expansion in the United States and up into Canada. Even though they aren't currently building in North America, they do build to the regulations of wherever the home is going. All of Nestron's homes have a high fire rating and come with an impressive 50-year construction guarantee. Everything they're offering sounds pretty good, right? And spoiler alert, so are their prices. So let's take a look at a few of their models. The most affordable home from Nestron is the Legend 1 from the Legend series, which starts at just $21,500. With a more traditional modern home look than the futuristic Cube series, which I'll get to in just a second, it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom that clocks in at 168 square feet. Nestron designed the Legend 1 with warm interior colors to create a homey and welcoming atmosphere. It's a little less than 10 feet wide by 17 feet long, with a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Nestron wants you to be able to move in the day the home arrives, so it comes with dining table, couch, wardrobe, bar counter, shower, and towel rack. The Legend 1 is a very well thought out plan that makes good use of the entire space, but 168 square feet just isn't going to be enough space for everyone. But don't panic, they do offer a larger model called the Legend 2. The Legend 2 is 11 feet longer, taking the total length to 28 feet and the overall footprint to 275 square feet. The added space allows for a second bedroom, but increases the base price from $21,500 to $44,000. Fitting 2 bedrooms in 275 square feet definitely isn't something you see every day, and is a very impressive use of space. The top of the line in the Legend series is the Legend 2X, which is both wider and longer, giving you an additional 85 square feet. The extra room allows for added space in the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. One of the options of the Legend 2X is the choice of 3 additional interior color schemes. Folksy, which is lighter colors, Opulent is brown and gray, and Luxe is black and gray. Of the 3, my favorite is Folksy. I think it's a great color combo for a home that size, but I just don't like the name, Folksy. It doesn't fit at all with the home, if you ask me. However, the additional options and size do have a big impact on the base price, taking it up to $88,000 plus delivery, which is a big jump from $44,000. The 2X is at the top of the line in their Legend series of tiny homes, so let's check out the more futuristic series, the Cube. The Cube series is the home that first got my attention and made me want to find out more about Nestron. There are a lot of companies building tiny homes and most of them look relatively similar. Not the Cube. These things look like they're from the year 2050 and definitely stand out from everything else being offered. Nestron saw a need in the marketplace that resulted in the Cube series. From single use to large families, there is a constant high demand for small size, low cost, flexible, and simple houses. This is where the idea for C1 came to be. Smooth lines and modern design make the Cube series suitable for large scale use in modern urban environments with interiors, exteriors, and colors that can be personalized. The Cube series is dynamic and unique, just like a Rubik's Cube. C1 provides the perfect value for money real estate investment for both private and commercial use. The C1 is 12 square feet smaller than the Legend one, but still makes great use of the space. It has a kitchen, living room, bedroom, and bathroom, and even though it's a bit smaller than its Legend series counterpart, it does have a higher price tag. I guess you have to pay for the futuristic look. The C1 has a base price of $34,000 and comes with the same 50-year construction warranty and is available for worldwide shipping. Above the C1, Nestron has, you guessed it, the C2 at a very respectable 280 square feet. The added space allows for a different layout, including larger kitchen, different bathroom, and 2 bedrooms. The exterior of the C2 looks like something that could be placed on Mars. It is so unique that I think it's going to appeal to a lot of people who want something different than the traditional tiny home exterior that a lot of companies are offering. The base price for the C2 starts at $59,000. Up until just a couple weeks ago, the C2 was the highest offering in the Cube series, but they recently announced the C2X. The C2X is around 30% bigger and comes in both 1 and 2 bedroom layouts. Nestron claims the C2X is one step closer to the future home, describing the changes by saying, "The interior design continues the usual futuristic sustainability style of the Cube series while adding more space to the design and emphasizing the functionality of the space and high-tech convenience furniture." This home is absolutely crazy, and I think people are going to be lining up to buy these things. You can't get your hands on a C2X just yet because they were just announced, but the pre-order is now live at a price of $98,000. What I like best about the prefab tiny homes from Nestron is they're different. Most companies in the space are building a similar design and differentiating themselves with quality, options, or price. Nestron, on the other hand, built something completely different that looks nothing like anything else being offered. I also really like the fact that their homes ship entirely finished, including furniture, and require no setup other than service connections and can be moved into the same day they arrive. That isn't going to be a requirement for everyone, but for those looking for a streamlined process, it's definitely going to be a nice option to have. I haven't been inside a Nestron, but I'm very interested in checking one out. So if anyone has one or has seen one in North America, please let me know. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.